whenever we had Arri cameras on set and we needed custom frame lines, what we did was we took the SD card or USB drive out of the camera with the proper folder structure and went to the website and then created frame lines, and then we put those frame lines in the proper folder structure on USB drive and then plug it in the camera, and that's how we can show the frame lines to DP. But now we don't need to do that. We just need to connect our mobile phone with the camera through Wi-Fi and make sure that camera's access protocol is on, and then we can make custom frame lines in our mobile and send them without any USB stick. So there is a third-party app called Frameline Composer, and it's only Apple supported. You can find it on App Store, and when you have downloaded that, after that what you need to do is you need to go to your Wi-Fi settings while knowing that the camera's Wi-Fi is on and camera access protocol is enabled. Then in the settings in the Wi-Fi you connect with camera, and after that you open the Frameline Composer app. When you open the Frameline Composer app, it will show you something like this, and to make a new frame line you can click on plus button, and then after that you'll have to select the camera. When you have selected the camera, after that what you need to do is you need to select the resolution, codec and everything which you did on the website. When you have made your desired frame lines, you go and you click on this top right corner button of the camera to send it, and then it will show you the camera which is connected to your Wi-Fi. When you will click on that, you'll have to click on cap, and then after that it will let you send the frame lines. When you will click on send, it will already be in frame lines of your camera. When you open the frame lines on your camera, it will be showing that with the name whichever you put there, and you can apply those frame lines. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.